If you are flying your Elios 3 in any environment which is below 1,500 meters of height under the sea level, a warning will appear in cockpit right after powering on the drone. This warning is an indication to the user that due to the high pressure present at this height, the barometer is saturated and won't work as usual, meaning that if you lose stabilization for any reason, the drone will fall to ATI manual instead of normal ATI flight mode. If you stay within the limits of stabilization, you'll be able to fly as normal, as you can see from this flight in this really deep mine shaft. If you fall in ATI manual, the altitude joystick directly controls the motor RPM, leading to virtually unlimited climb and descent speeds, which can easily lead to extremely hard collisions. Please note that in this mode, the drone may exceed the maximum safe collision speed. For this reason, it is important to avoid high-speed collisions when flying in manual mode, as they might result in loss of or permanent damage to the aircraft. Be aware that, to hover, the left stick should be positioned slightly above the middle point, while if you position it all the way down, the motors will stop spinning and the drone will free fall. Always move the sticks with slight movements and very carefully in this mode.